This tutorial will show you how to export transparent videos in Adobe After Effects CC online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step to export a transparent video in Adobe After Effects CC video editing software. Basically, you want to drag in your video clip that you would like to export as a transparent video in Adobe After Effects. Now, once your video clip has been opened up and loaded, click on it, drag it down below to the render queue. As we can see, the render queue is the second option. If you don't have this, don't worry, just go to the top hand screen and then click window and then scroll down until you see render. Make sure that it is checked, render queue. Now, basically under the render settings, as we can see, if we go to the right, we're going to click this which says best settings. And well, you want to make sure that the quality, if you click the drop down arrow, is the best, the resolution is the full resolution, and then click OK. And then underneath output name, or next to output module, I would say you want to click this option, lossless. This is how you're going to export this as a transparent video. The format is currently set to AVI, but personally, in my opinion, I like QuickTime. And then post render action, we'll leave this as none. If you go into video output, channels, RGB, you want to change this to RGB plus alpha. So not only do you get red, green, and blue colors, but you also get the alpha channel or the transparent background. And then go down and then click OK. And once you're happy and satisfied, you want to go to the bottom right hand screen and then click render. This is how you did it in Adobe After Effects CC completely for free. You're welcome.